There is part of yourself that some of you have never met. There is part of yourself that you will meet when enough is enough. There is part of yourself that will be activated once you lose that job. There is part of yourself that will be activated mhlazane washiywa abantu obathembile. There is part of yourself that you will meet mhlazane ukuthatheka kancane kwafika ezingeni ongeke usakwazi ukulibekezelela. As long as use comfortable, there is part of yourself that you will never ever meet. Because less self is very powerful. Uyabona khona izinto mhlambe oyoze udlule emhlabeni ungazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukuzenza. And when you may think ukuthi those things are only peculiar to some people, not you. Kanti ubudinga nje ukungena in a very serious and terrible situation. Ngalesi sikhathi ubengelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lelo cabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Uyazi ukuthi ngeke uzulazi ijubane lakho ukuthi lingakanani up until zize zikujaha izinja. Mele zikujaha izinja khona uzobona ukuthi kahle kahle wena uphiwe wena ukugijima. Mhlambe kukhona isigaba ekumele ufike kusona sokuthi befuna ukwenza something khona la khona manje bese bekunika ithuba lokuthi chaza ukuthi kungane kumele singakubulali. Mhlambe by then that is where you will realize ukuthi kahle kahle I'm a good talker, I'm a sweet talker. I can make someone to listen to me. I can make sense. Kunezinto okumele ukuthi udlule kuzona njengegolide khona uzoshine. Yabona ufuel loyo. Lezo ngqinamba lezo, leyo tragedy leyo, leyo terrible situation leyo, ifuel leyo that wants to activate that part of yourself that you probably never met. Maybe some of you may just revert back bebambelele kule self abayaziyo ngalesikhathi izimo zizama ukubaphusha zibaphushela kwi-new self. Ngesikhathi izimo zizama ukukuphusha zikuphushela ukuthi come and meet this new vigorously powerful self that you are. Come and meet that self. Some of you may just revert back to the old self because that's actually what they used to. That's what they are accustomed to. And leondo ihindarisha, it halts their progress in life. They will die with those dreams. Those dreams will remain dreams. Never come to fruition. Because they always run away from the fuel that will fuel them to meet that self that is very powerful. Kunalokho uzothi yena adlale ukuba i-victim empilweni yakhe, blame game, all the excuses, just because now I have no way out. Hey, hayi mhlambe kusamele uhlangane nezimo la ubona khona ukuthi hayi la ishubile. shubile mshana hayi kuyayiwa bese uyabona yeah I have to do something. Khona abantu namhlanje ababe no partner babo partner baba bebeyikona konke empilweni zabo, and to lose that partner meant losing him or herself. Cannot afford to live without this person. But mhlazane ethi asiyeke ngoba ngibona ngazuthi uyahluleka, ila abona khona umjito ukuthi ha kanti ungabi namali kunje. Wathi never in my life again be taken for granted. Ngizomgcwalisela. Wavuma ukuthi let me meet this new self. I'll make sure that I drive that Range Rover one day. That was the fuel. Partner wakhe was the fuel. Omunye wesifazane kwakumele atshele ukuthi wena ngeke uzube lutho ngaphandle kwami. Let me show to you ukuthi ngeke ube lutho ngaphandle kwami. Let me prove it to you now. Can that situation we bafana bakithi yabona kunomthetho kulento engikhuluma ngayo that is involved, the law of nature that is involved. This law of nature says the law of vibration, the law of polarity, the law of gender, all the laws that are involved there. Ukuthi ngesikhathi le situation ifika, it's now I have nowhere to run, I have no choice, I have to do something. Kuya ngawe ukuthi wayisebenzisa le mthetho ye-universe, because if sothi masifika lesimo bese uthi hawe vele ngadalelwa kona ukuhlupheka, nothing will ever go right. Bese uba nama limiting beliefs kuwena, negative self talks, ungayiboni ukuthi uzophuma la. We are running away from that self. You are exercising the law of nature that is called polarity, but you are negatively polarized. Law of vibration, you are vibrating on a negative side of things. You are vibrating lower. Low vibration. You are going to be dense, and things are not going to work out because you are dense to a matter. If a matter is trying to change matter, it's very hard. You need to be spiritual. When usufana ne ice lapho, instead of you becoming liquid, eventually be a steam and vanish. And be, you can do wonders. You can be everywhere, anywhere, anytime, anyhow. But because now you are, yabo mfethu steam singaba noma ikuphi la manje, singaba noma ikuphi la fast. Kodwa ice liyohlezi lila kuphela. Ice is vibrating low vibration, become denser and denser. Liyohlezi lila ngeke likwazi ukuba kwenye indawo. Possibilities are limited kulona ice. So by you kuleyo situation, the law of gender is involved. Ukuthi are you impregnating yourself now with a vision? With no man, I'm moving. We are impregnating with what you want to manifest now, but unfortunately you are impregnating your mind with negativity and powerless. Yeah, that's what you are going to give birth to. You are running away from that self that you have to meet. Sometimes you have to run out of choices to meet that self. Sometimes you have to lose everything you have to meet that self. Sometimes your comfort zone needs to be shaken to meet that self. Out of the heater comes something sweeter. Kade ngizomunye la ethenzana ama chart readings in. I'll advise to, because you really need to make sure ukuthi this decision we are taking it's a right decision for you and things align. human design, akashianmedia.co.za.